Good day and a new week hath come upon us. This is Deacon Dave from the Diocese of Rockford. Last week we focused on the other. Today we're going to be looking at the items which Jesus is asking us to do and not to do. It's so very easy to bring judgment upon the other person. For whatever reason, we keep thinking that we are, of course, right, and everyone should think like we do. I, as usual, here will pause, let you go through the readings. You can read along with anyone you want. They'll be here when you get back, so thanks a lot. Welcome back. Well, as we begin this week, we are reminded quite bluntly about those things we need to work on to attain perfection. We should refrain from judging, condemning, and we should always be forgiving. Does that mean we allow ourselves to be walked all over, to be taken advantage of again and again? I can only forgive so much. I'm just opening myself to be hurt again. Now, this passage, I think, for many people causes much consternation and confusion. I think most people equate forgiveness with forgetting the incident ever occurred. We're just saying to the other person, yeah, you're okay. It's all good again. Nothing between the two of us anymore. Does this mean we're supposed to forget all the pain? No. No, the psychological and sociological pains and abuse that may be caused by another will take sometimes an entire life to resolve, and it certainly will outlive the physical scars and pains. To forgive is generally, though, the first step on that trip. But what does it mean to forgive? Well, I read a definition from the Mayo Clinic that I think kind of works. Maybe not in every case, but it is still pretty good. And in general, this forgiveness involves an intentional decision to let go of resentment and anger. That act that hurt or offended you might always be with you, but working on forgiveness can lessen that act's grip on you. See, what is good about this definition is that it acknowledges the psychological and social hurt that one has taken, but has made an intentional decision not to allow the one who did the hurting to have a hold over us any longer. It in no way diminishes the wrong which was done to you, but letting go of that hatred and bitterness may allow the start needed to fix the impact of the act which did the hurting. Sometimes it's easier than other times. I mean, none of it's going to be easy. Our gut wants to hurt back, yet we know that will do no good, and most likely will make the situation worse. In no way, shape, or form does God want to move on without all the harm being resolved from his son or daughter. This gospel is not about letting someone go free for their actions, but to let yourself be free to resolve the issues that are remaining. So we'll see you tomorrow. God bless. For the love of God, this is Deacon Dave.